Gina Palace here with Homebodies. Today I'm going to show you a great way to help relax your glutes, and that's going to be with your ball. So this is a pinky ball. Tennis balls are also great. You don't really want something super hard like a lacrosse ball unless you've been doing this work and you know you can handle it, because we want the body to be able to relax and receive the relaxation from the treatment as opposed to making your body tense up because it's so uncomfortable. There's a couple different ways to roll out your glutes. I'm going to show you the way on the floor first. So what you want to do is take that ball and place it right behind one of the meatier parts of your glutes. So not on the hip bone, not on the tailbone, but right in between. And you're going to roll around. If you find a spot that feels extra sensitive, I want you to hold it there for 10 seconds, taking as deep of breaths as you can. Now, this might be sensitive for you. This can be a spot that is a little bit more sensitive for a lot of people. If you're finding it's too much pressure on the floor, or if your arms and hands just aren't up for holding your body up, no worries, you can do it against the wall. So it's good to actually stand up completely to do this, but I'm just gonna show you kneeling. So you wanna put your butt against the wall, and like I said, you'll be standing up all the way up, and you're going to just roll that way. So you're applying the pressure with your glute, just like you were doing on the floor, but you're doing that standing up against the wall. That can be easier for people who have trouble with knee range of motion, or even if, say you're in the kitchen cooking something and you don't have a mat on the floor and you can't get down on the floor. No problem. You can do this right against the wall. You can put as much pressure as you need to into it, and you can help relax those glutes so that your body feels great even while you're doing other things.